that I am yours and you are mine. Hey, hey, now you are mine.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So I just wanted to share with y'all a quick ponytail which has been trending all over YouTube. I'm probably all extra late as always, but I was like, this is such a quick summer look. Like, the ponytail is in, like that Ariana Grande type look is in, and it is so cute. And I was like, you know what, I'm gonna try it, because you know I had like that long face, that long whatever type of shape face, and I was like, I so totally want to try like this look, which I've tried ponytails before, but I was always skeptical to try a drawstring ponytail. So I was just searching all over on YouTube trying to find like some quick cute summer hairstyles, and I started seeing like the drawstring ponytail, and I was like, nah, I don't know about all that, because with the drawstring it be looking like there's a apple sitting on top of your head and then you just covered it with layers of hair. But then I started to watch a video with Aaliyah Jay. I believe that's like 2 years ago or a year ago. I watched a video with Aaliyah Jay and I was like, man, she really hooked it up. And another reason why I was skeptical to purchase this drawstring ponytail, because like my hair is natural and I don't want to apply any heat to it to get like that straight look. So in a way I was kind of skeptical, but you guys all know what type of drawstring Aaliyah Jay had in her video. It was by Model Equal Drawstring Pony, I can't even speak, but it was Model Equal Drawstring Ponytail, the premium integration, and it looks like this. Let me just give y'all a better look. So it looks like this. It ran around $13.99 at one of my local beauty supply stores, and I was like, you know what, it's good. And to be honest, it's synthetic hair, of course, obviously, but I like it. I've been wearing it for almost 3 days now. I was going to show you guys how I apply the wig, but then I was like, it's simple. I really took some steps that Aaliyah Jay did. The only thing is that all I did was wash my hair, I blow dried it, and once I blow dried it, in her video she used the Style Factor, which is this. I finally found it at my local beauty supply store. You know, Florida is always the last one to get things. So as I mentioned before, what I did, I just followed certain steps that Aaliyah Jay took, because I realized that when she put her in a ponytail, she washed like the front and then she blow dried it, then she straightened it. What I did is just that I washed my hair and I just blow dried my whole entire head, and then I used the Edge Booster Stronghold water-based pomade. This is in the cherry scent and it smells so good. It smells so good, guys. And I just applied it all around my head, and then I just put the drawstring ponytail in. It's really simple. Like, the steps in putting the drawstring ponytail is so simple. This hairstyle in this ponytail is like legit. Look how auntie swing. Like, it is so cute, and even though it's synthetic, I think it might last me for a good week and a half if I actually take care of it. I don't go to sleep with this. Every night I take it off, put it back in the bag, and the next morning I just apply it back on. But I like it. I am so in love with this, and I watched all the other girls who did like the same steps as Aaliyah Jay, and I was like, they all turned out beautiful. I was like, yes, they are so cute. They are rocking that ponytail, and I was like, you know what, I'm about to go get me a ponytail. But then I found the exact one that Aaliyah Jay had in her video, and I was like, we about to be lit this summer. About a week we about to be lit this summer. But I just wanted to come before y'all, and I just wanted to talk, and I just wanted to share with you guys this cute drawstring ponytail. I know I'm old, I know I'm late, but it's been a while. I'm just telling y'all, it haven't went to sleep yet. Okay, it have not went to sleep yet. So go ahead and purchase one, and hopefully this video was able to help someone. I love you guys, and I will see you guys all in my next video. Bye.